Hello, good morning.
Hi, ma'am. Good morning. How are you?
I'm good. How have you been doing?
Yeah, I'm doing pretty well, but I'm
Oh,
not actually well today. I'm a little bit upset.
oh,
So actually, I lost it. Today I have the session with Clapingo. I'm sorry. I'm just a little bit late.
that's fine. Okay. So, can you tell me about yourself? Like,
Yeah,
can you
sure, sure.
introduce yourself?
Yeah, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity. I am
Sure.
Anju Chaurasia. I'm connecting you from Noida, and this is
Okay.
my third session with Clapingo. So I would say that I am a homemaker and I am proud mother of two kids. Simultaneous, if I talk about my professional life, nowadays I have my own YouTube channel. So I am making the content and I love to
Okay.
help people creating content on spoken English and confidence building.
Okay. So, what kind of videos do you make? Those are educational videos?
Yeah, these kind of educational video because I have whatever the experience I have collected in my previous life. So I would love to share with my audience. Maybe they will love it.
Okay. Okay. So, what is the name of your channel? And
My
how
channel,
long
yeah,
have
yeah,
you been
my
doing?
yes, my channel name is Confidence Circle Hub, and it's been I hope successfully completed. I have 3 months
Okay.
now. Yeah,
Congratulations
thank you so much.
on your YouTube journey.
Thank
Okay, Anju. So if like I would ask you that if I want to open my own YouTube channel,
you. Yes.
right? So what are the like two to three advice that you would like to give me in order to start my own channel?
Okay, so first of all, you have to don't go for the trends. Whenever you are finding or you are choosing your niche, choose it wisely, right?
Okay.
Look at your interest and about your knowledge that this I should choose this niche because I am very passionate about it and I have knowledge about it, but don't go with the trends because people mostly follow the trends. It is something trending, so maybe if I'll create my own channel, so it will maybe you will get the success very early. But if you want to work as a profession, if you want to your journey continue for a long time, so you should think about your passion and about your knowledge.
Okay. So
Yeah.
tell me more about yourself. Like, what do you do in your free time? Do you have any hobbies? Do you like cooking?
Yeah, of
Anything?
course. If as a woman or as a mother, if you don't like the cooking, it is literally not possible. Somehow
Okay.
you have to prepare food. Yes, but I'm very fond of cooking. I love cooking delicious food for my kids as well as my family. Uh, yeah, I have like lots of responsibility because I am in joint family and I am mother of
Okay.
two, so it is very hard to take out the time for my personal hobbies. And so, but whenever I get the time, I love to spend time with my kids and with my friends.
Okay.
If I talk about hobbies, I love dancing.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah,
What dance form are you currently
free
associated
dance.
with?
I want to release my negative energy. Basically, the funda is.
Okay, okay, okay. I
Yeah, I'm not any
understand.
kind of dancer. Yeah, like any specific dance I do. But yes, this is the form of exercise, you can say. I
Yes.
recently inculcated in my hobby. It was really difficult for me take out the separate time for your like hobby. So I thought let's convert your hobby in exercise so you will enjoy also and you will make your body fit as well.
Yeah, that's an amazing idea.
Yeah,
So you said that you like cooking, right?
yeah,
So if I were to ever visit your house,
yeah.
just for an example, what is that one thing you would like to cook for me?
Yeah, so if you ask me that, I will prepare the snack. There's one snack like dhokla, everybody love it. But I used to prepare it with a special chutney. So I would
Okay,
offer you in a snack. And if you will talk about the lunch and dinner, so I will prepare the whole Indian traditional thali, which I love to do it. I'm not kind of person ki who is little bit conscious about that I prepare only two dishes or three dishes. I love to prepare everything. If anyone is coming or any occasion in my family, like birthdays or any festival, I love to prepare lots of food. Even I love to
okay,
serve. Like when you are serving someone. So first of all, you whenever anybody see, then if we feel so good while watching your presentation. So
Yeah.
yeah, I love to prepare, and I will yeah, serve the traditional. And apart from that, I will prepare one kind of sweet at home that is healthy as well. So
Yeah.
yeah, nariyal ka laddu or suji ka laddu, that is very I would say popular nowadays in my family, and people love to that you should make it in every occasion. And one more tradition I used to follow, people go and bring lots of sweets for any like festival. So what I prefer that on the especially festival for the puja, I used to prepare sweet at home. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't buy the sweets from out. Yes, we buy, but for the special puja, I used to prepare.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you love being the host, right?
Yeah,
You
correct.
love cooking for your guests and
Yes,
serve them.
yes, yes, definitely. Because you can say it's like my personality trait. Yeah, this is my experience. Whenever I was working as a team leader. So team leader should lead everything. I
Yes.
have the habit like ki whatever I am doing, I'll do. I'll give my best shot for everything, whatever I am doing, and I love to prepare by my own self. I don't want to take somebody's help in that also.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. So, and do you also love traveling with your family? Have you been to places?
Yes, 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 definitely. I love to travel, and with family, I love the most. Actually, nowadays, especially my husband used to busy all the time on phone, so I don't like to go alone with him. He has the actually own car rental agency, so
Okay.
most of the time, whenever he travel, na, he get lots of calls. So I used to involve only with the kids. So I don't like it. When I used to go with my family, my sister-in-law, yeah, my maternal house family. So kids enjoy with the kids, and we enjoy to each other. So that is the good thing.
Okay.
And I would prefer everybody. Like you should, if you want to plan any travel, na, go with your family.
Yeah. Yeah.
Definitely, you will love it. You will enjoy it.
So you don't like solo traveling, or you have not experienced that
Yeah,
yet, right?
I no no no. I actually never get the chance for any solo trip, so I can't tell you what is the experience of solo trip.
Yeah, yeah. So what is the most recent place that you have visited? Like, would you like to share a few insights from that place?
Recently, I have visited. I would say Kashmir was the last trip
Um,
in the month of January on the occasion of my birthday. We visited Kashmir. Yeah. Yeah, Kashmir is everybody knows that is the heaven, the land. So everybody love it, and we also enjoy a lot. But after the attack, when we heard the news of that, then we were very scared. That thankfully we are safe. We came early, and now we
yeah.
will never plan to go Kashmir.
Yeah. So you must have gotten very beautiful pictures. Like you must have
Yes, of
taken
course,
beautiful
of course.
pictures over
Yes,
there.
yes, yes.
Okay. So if you could repeat once more that what state do you belong from?
Yeah, I belong from UP Kanpur, but
Okay.
currently I am residing in Noida.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what is the weather over there right now in Noida?
Uh, it's sunny and little bit hot in the daytime, but it's very, pleasant and a little bit cold, like winters are coming. So,
Yes.
yeah, in the night, it's very pleasant weather here.
Has it been raining since the last few
No,
days
no,
or
no, it's not raining. From past 10 days, I think it's not raining here.
okay.
Yeah, that's why in the daytime, it's a little bit hot, but you can feel it. Yeah, like winters are coming, our winters are around the corner. Yeah.
Okay. So can you like share two most famous things or places even from your place, like Noida, from Noida?
So Noida.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. So Noida is basically now famous for the cleanliness. You can see lots of greenery here.
Okay.
There's a one park I would suggest, if you get any time chance you are visiting here, go to the Ved One Park. This it's very beautiful. and uh, the lots of activity they do in the evening time. So definitely you
Hmm.
will enjoy it.
Okay. So
And
Anju,
another is lots of like
yeah,
malls also here for visiting, and you can go the local street market where you get delicious food in a very less range.
yeah,
So
I
you
do
will
see
enjoy
YouTube
it.
videos
Oh, okay.
regarding that.
Yes,
Okay.
yes, yes. And the two or three market also, they are very famous for the clothing and for the any kind of fashion accessories, and you will get a in a very reasonable cost. That is
Okay.
Atta Market. Maybe you have heard about it. It's
Yeah,
very popular.
yeah.
From you are from where?
I'm from Kolkata, West Bengal.
Ah, okay, that's so nowadays it's the Navratri is going on. So I think lots
For
of
us,
boom.
for us, it's Durga Pujo and not
Yeah,
Navratri.
yeah.
Okay. So we are a little short of time today, right? So we have to like wrap up so that I can join my other class as well.
No problem, no problem. So I would like to ask one question. So as you know, I am a mother and I'm restarting my journey again. So as a YouTuber, and I also want to work on my communication skills and confidence building. Because from past 5 years, I'm not working anywhere. So can you give me three best way to improve my skills? Yeah, how I can brush up it? Because
Like
I,
your English skills is what you're talking about.
yeah.
So what worked for me, like I have always belonged from an English medium background. But
Okay,
during my school life, I was not the best, to be very honest, at English. What really helped me was listening. So I
okay.
would watch English movies, I would listen to English songs, right? So listening really helps with your speaking as well because you're imitating that.
Yeah.
Also, while you're speaking English, don't try to make big sentences. Try to create small sentences and then join them together. Okay. And also, you can work on your vocabulary as well
Mhm.
to improve your English. Otherwise, I have not found much mistakes while you have spoken.
Bye bye.
Thank you so much for your time.
Bye bye. Take care.